Alright, so if you've been to Taksim Square, Istiklal Street before, one of the things that you notice now, there are no seating areas, no benches. And you know, from the unfortunate bombing that happened last year, they removed all the seating here. So this is pretty much what you have to do, is you gotta kind of find a shade under the tree and sit on the side steps. If you're in the mood for McDonald's, Burger King, KFC, Papa John's, Günaydin, the one in the end, actually pretty good. We've been there plenty of times. And some bowling. It's a Louis Vuitton. Of course, this is fake, but 190 lira. Gucci. Pretty good, actually. The quality is really good. Doesn't seem bad at all. For 190 lira, that's not bad. LC Waikiki, very famous store in Turkey. Our favorite store for me and Sad and the kids. That's where we do a lot of our shopping for the clothes. And that seems like a really nice large store. And a lot of the side streets, guys, you're gonna see a lot of side streets here. A lot of them are hotels, mom and pop shop hotels, or cafes and bars. They're pretty famous. A lot of people go there. A lot of locals go to these side streets for some, amazing time with family and friends. This is very popular. It's one of the popular spots here for chocolate. Any kind of chocolate you want, they got it here for you. Pretty famous dude. I've seen him in a couple of videos. He does a really good job putting on a show. Alright guys, I got me the vanilla version. Tastes pretty good. 70 lira. Pretty expensive, but it tastes really good. Now halfway through the street, guys, if you want a place to kind of cool off, get some air conditioning, there's a thing called Istiklal AVM, which is Istiklal Mall. Malls here have security, which is very common, but you can go there, walk around, pretty famous brands, and a movie theater as well. And right next to the mall, guys, you have the wax statue. Price for the wax museum is 450 local currency for one person. Just entered the shop where they sell a lot of bags, kids bags, women's bags. Everything is 250 lira, which I have never heard of. That is very cheap, and the qualities are actually very, very good. All right, guys, if you want to ride the famous old school Taksim train, you can use your Istanbul card, or you can use a credit card, and it's 20 lira per person. That's the only ways you can ride it. There's no cash. Credit card or Istanbul card. All right, guys, another thing that you can do here, it's pretty popular in Turkey, is a Turkish bath. This one is a famous Galatasaray Hamama, and it's been here since 1481.